Isn't this awesome sauce? Totally reminds me of when we were kids. Come on, Slowpoke. Hold on.
I haven't been here in forever. So why do I feel like I was just here? Whoa. This is the exact same path I was on during my nightmare today.
Siema, witam serdecznie w Life is Strange, moi drodzy. Kontynuujemy przygodę. Przyjechaliśmy z naszą frendulą się troszeczkę odprężyć, zapomnieć o problemach. I co się okazuje, że znajdujemy się w miejscu, które niedawno nam się śniło, czyli ta cała latarnia. Co prawda nie ma tej burzy, ale zobaczymy. Także oglądamy, jedziemy. Zobaczmy, co się tutaj dzieje. Przybliżę sobie tylko. No, to jest ten szyld. No właśnie, to ten koszmar się śnił. Tu nic nie ma, przyspieszymy. O, jest dziennik. Warren nasz pisze. Biały rycerz Warren. Wiem, że się o mnie martwisz. Troszeczkę jest obity. Jestem twoją dłużniczką, dziękuję za dzisiaj. Zadzwonię do ciebie później, ok? Obiecuję. Nie ma problemu i dalej masz mi powiedzieć o swoim wielkim sekrecie. LOL. No dobra. Od mamy. Cześć kochanie. Twój dyrektor napisał mi maila, w którym informuje, że jest zaniepokojony twoim nastawieniem i zachowaniem, że się nie wpasowujesz i chowasz w swoim pokoju. Wiem, że to trudne być z dala od domu, nawet gdy jesteś dorosła, ale jesteś tam, by zmienić świat dzięki swojemu aparatowi. Proszę zadzwoń do mnie niedługo, żeby pogadać. Tęsknimy buziaczki. Mama. No i dobra. Czyli jednak dlatego, że nie powiedzieliśmy mu, coś zaszło w tej łazience. Nie spodobało się mu. Ptaki mówią, o jest. Tu jest to. Dobra, zobaczmy.
A tree haiku? How pretty.
Ślady to są jakieś tutaj.
Those sure aren't big feet. What kind of animal left those prints?
No właśnie. Ej, tu się coś dzieje tam. O,
Clearly, the Bigfoots are everywhere.
to jest ta wielka stopa niby. Tam można wejść do tej latarni morskiej, ale to myślę później. Tu jest jakieś graffiti.
How long has that been here?
Teraz, no mam. I ognisko.
Looks like the youth of Arcadia Bay still come up here to party.
No raczej tak.
I
I
never made
mapka.
Wowzer, Chloe drew that to mark our tree fort, so we'd always be able to find each other in case of emergency.
Fajnie. Chloe.
Sure you don't want to be alone?
Have a seat, Pete.
My pleasure. Feels nice out here after all that drama.
You really took one for Team Chloe.
I'm not as brave as you. And David is indeed a step douche.
I'm sorry you had to experience it firsthand.
You have to live with him. Has he always been this way?
Ever since my desperate mom dragged his ass to our home, I never trusted David.
He freaked out on poor Kate Marsh today.
I know her. She's cool. Only that prick would bully her.
He has some kind of weird agenda.
He has a lot of secret files. Rambo still thinks he's gathering enemy intelligence. Did you take a peek?
Tak.
Well, yeah, I couldn't help it.
Never change. What did you find?
Creepy photos of Kate Marsh. Other Blackwell students.
This dude takes his job too seriously. He still thinks he's at war or something. He's a total surveillance fetish. Where are there spy cams in the house?
I knew you didn't know. Chloe, your house is under surveillance.
What are you talking about?
There are cameras all over the house. I saw it on a monitor in the garage.
I knew it! He is so hella fucking paranoid. I'll keep this a secret for now.
Sometimes ignorance is bliss.
No wonder I'm so miserable. Everybody in this town knows everybody's secrets.
What's Nathan's secret?
Lata.
He's an elite asshole who sells bad shit cut with laxative. And he dosed me with some drug in his room.
What?
I met him in some shithole bar that didn't card me. He was too rich for the place and too wasted, and he kept flashing bills.
Just tell me what happened, Chloe. Now.
I was an idiot. I thought he was so blazed it would be an easy score.
You needed money that bad?
Actually, yes. I owe big time. And I thought I'd have enough for me and Rachel if she showed up.
How much do you owe?
$3 grand plus interest. And before I could get a chunk of that from Nathan, he dosed my drink with some shit.
God, Chloe. I can't believe this. I mean, I do. Then what?
I know I passed out on the floor. I woke up and that perv was smiling, crawling towards me with a camera.
Go on.
Everything was a blur. I tried to kick him in the balls and broke a lamp. Nathan freaked, so I managed to bum rush the door and get the hell out. Max, it was insane.
Chloe, that is so fucked up. What did you do then?
I figured I would make him pay me to keep quiet. So we met in the bathroom.
And he brought a gun.
That was Nathan's last mistake.
What are you going to do? Pop a cap in his ass? Let's call the police.
Screw that. Good thing you didn't tell anyone. Now I'm bringing the Walter White down on him.
I won't always be there to save you.
You were here today, Max. You saved me. I'm still tripping on that. Seeing you after all these years feels like...
Destiny.
If this is destiny, I hope we can find Rachel. I miss her, Max.
No to będziemy
This
szukać.
shit pit has taken away everyone I've ever loved. I'd like to drop a bomb on Arcadia Bay and turn it to fucking glass.
Oh no!
Shit.
Not again! Why is this happening to me? Why am I here again?
Cholera, co tu się dzieje? Nie, cokolwiek chcemy. Nie mogę. Wow! Kurde. Dobra. Drzewo. Shit. Co mam teraz zrobić?
Is Chloe still up there? I have to find out.
A jak tam przejść? Aha. Dobra. I szybko idziemy. Dobra, przeszliśmy. Dobra. No, tu ten sarenka nam coś pokazuje, że mamy iść za nią.
I've never seen a storm like this in Oregon.
Ło! Czekaj, musimy tu gdzieś... Dobra. Przeszło. Okej. Chodźmy. Nie, co ja robię? Nie cofiemy. Dobra, idziemy. Oj, oj, oj. Co się tu dzieje?
Oh my lord! The tornado is back!
O, to było. Cholera. Musimy chyba raczej... Szybko przejdź. Tam mamy gazetę.
October 11th?
To ten piątek.
Friday? That's only 4 days away.
Oh,
Holy shit.
the tornado is headed straight for the town. Chloe, you're here. I'm back. Oh my lord, this is real. It's real. Oh man, this sucks.
Max, what's going on? You totally blacked out.
I didn't black out. I had another vision. The town is going to get wiped out by a tornado.
Oregon gets about 5 tornadoes every 20 years. You just zoned.
No, I saw it. I could actually feel the electricity in the air.
Come on, take a breath, okay?
Chloe, I'm not crazy. But there's something else I have to tell you. Something hardcore.
Talk to me, Max.
I had this same vision earlier in class. When I came out of it, I discovered I could reverse time. Like I said, not crazy.
But high, right?
Listen to me. How do you think I saved you in the bathroom?
By reversing time? Yeah, sure.
I saw you get shot, Chloe. Saw you actually die. I was able to go back and hit the fire alarm.
Okay, I see you're a geek now with a great imagination, but this isn't anime or a video game. People don't have those powers, Max.
I don't know what I have, but I have it. And I'm scared shitless.
You need to get high. It's been a hell insane fucking day. What the hell is this?
Snowflakes?
It's like 80 degrees. How?
Climate change. Or a storm is coming.
Max, start from the beginning. Tell me everything.
Nice. Rachel, Kelly, Lynn. Epizod pierwszy się właśnie skończył, moi drodzy. Niesamowita gierka. Już teraz zapraszam Was na epizod numer 2. Mam nadzieję, że będziecie ze mną, bo fabuła się rozkręca. Postaram się dzisiaj nagrać jeszcze kilka odcinków z tego, ponieważ wyjeżdżam teraz na 3 dni, nie będzie mnie, a chciałbym, żeby jednak zostało to zachowane. Także dzięki za uwagę, trzymajcie się i czołem do następnego epizodu numer 2.